Hi guys, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve Roblox launching experience. To know how to fix or how to solve Roblox launching experience, you should just go to settings. Here in this page, we click on apps, default apps, app settings. After that, in this list, you will search about this window of Roblox. When you'll find this page of app info, we click on first stop and we click OK. Here we go to click storage. After that we click clear cache, and in the end of all the steps then you can turn off your Wi-Fi here, and you can know how to fix your problems on Roblox launching experience. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention.